What just happened? Huh?
I don't want to talk about it.
You don't want to talk about it. Why
Talk about
not?
it won't happen. Won't happen again. I don't
What?
wanna
Chicken
talk
math. It's chicken math.
I hate chicken, man.
More chicken! So we have to figure out what just happened.
Chicken, man.
What? What happened?
Chicken math.
Chicken math. Yeah, we have some chicken math.
We have 3 chickens, 1 room and 2 hens. And miraculously, people just give us stuff. So they just gave us birds. Chickens.
They thought they were going to need some chickens because of what's happening and decided that they did not want these chickens.
Oh, I know there's a Wyandotte in here.
There's a couple in there.
Well,
Okay, there's a lavender in there.
Yes.
They may be in there for good. Yes.
So that's a Wyandotte.
There's a Wyandotte. There's gold Wyandottes. There's 2 gold Wyandottes. Here's one over here.
Yes.
There's a silver Wyandotte in here, or Wyandotte in here. There's
Well, you're not keeping them all.
a lavender. Yeah, that's a barred rock.
Okay, so you need somebody's got to put something.
Let me see. Okay, that's a barred rock. Put that barred over here. See that gold Wyandotte in there?
I understand.
It's another barred over there.
That's what I'm trying to do.
I know they are. They're beautiful birds.
Okay. Now, this is what you got. You got this gold thing, this lavender thing.
Yep.
Is that what you want? And then you got this other thing here.
I don't know, but there's. I want this buff right here.
Okay.
Silvers. Yeah, those are good.
Yeah, right here. So this bird right here.
Yes, that's a silver.
That's
And there's
a silver.
another silver in here.
Okay. There's a gold.
Yes.
That's a lavender.
Yes.
What is
it's a
this?
buff. That's a buff orf.
Okay, that's what I need.
And there's another buff orf
Okay,
here.
So I got 1, 2, 3, 4.
I know.
Trying to figure out how many we're actually going to keep. I don't want to keep them all.
This black one can go. So that's a barred. That's a barred. That black one can go. This is a barred, can go. This one right here. There's one right here. That's down in the middle. Yes. That's the other silver. So you should have 6 chickens over there.
I don't know what I have. That's what.
7, 8, 9, 10. So that should leave us 6. Chicken math. Chicken math. So which ones of these guys we did the right wing? Okay, right wing. Where did they go? Did they go in the coop? Okay, we're going to trim their wings as we get them. Right. One. Silver laced. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right there. good time. And that's a buff. It's a buff Orpington. What just happened? Huh?
I don't want to talk about it.
You don't want to talk about it. Why
Talk about
not?
It won't happen. Won't happen again. I
What?
don't
Chicken
talk-
math. It's chicken math.
I hate chicken math.
So, we have Chuck. And of course it's casting a shadow right on Chuck. We have Chuck there who had 2 hens, and now there's 2 buff Orpingtons, 2 gold Wyandottes, 2 silver Wyandottes, a lavender Orpington, and I still have 4 more chickens to go across the street.
Took his long journey to Rockridge Homestead to
What?
drop off their chickens.
I think they're down at the building. Long journey. We
Yeah.
have arrived.
And there was no editing button.
Just pull up by the coop.
I always thought you were going to be so proud of me because I videotaped that pig delivery.
I liked it.
I was like, yeah. I haven't checked it since then. That one's chicken.
You got 3 bar rocks and 1 black.
These are egg layers?
Yes, they're all hens.
They're dual purpose.
They're dual purpose. These are, you can eat if you need meat. This is what my grandparents used to raise. They're all the chickens we got are dual purpose.
So once they get done laying eggs, just like 3 years.
You can eat 'em.
Just eat them.
They're big enough to eat. They're big enough to make a meal.
Yeah, they're gonna be smaller than what you're used to with meat birds. Yeah. But it's called a yard. They call it yard birds. Yeah. They're pretty. Yeah. How you want me to help? What do you?
Well, we're gonna
go
somebody's gonna videotape.
We're gonna get in here.
So you have to narrate
And it's
the whole
videoing
thing.
the whole
Whatever.
time.
I'm
So
not-
just keep
Back
this
in
thing.
the wild when we were holding the chicken wing.
Here, you want to
No,
do
I'm
it?
gonna hold the wing. So you're
Okay,
cutting
you started
from
this
here,
small
right?
one. There's this small wing right here, this small feather. So then you're cutting from here up.
It's just
Okay.
Right below this line of feathers.
And we cut all their left wings.
This is a right wing.
It doesn't
But
matter.
we-
Oh, you did left wing?
Didn't we do left wings?
It
I
don't
thought we
matter.
did right wings.
I don't remember.
They're not gonna fly.
They're heavy.
These guys.
Luke is gonna love the zebra
And these
chicken.
guys are young. They just started laying not long ago.
These are COVID chickens.
These are COVID chickens. These are COVID chickens. She thought she was going to need some chickens, and the kids won't eat the chickens, eat eggs because
They
they come out the
butt.
chicken butt. 6, 7, 8.
Oh my gosh. I'm so
8.
excited.
Hey, free chickens.
Free chickens.
And
Thank you
I've got
to
the
whoever
word.
gave us chicken.
I got the word out, and they know.
And so cutting the wings doesn't hurt them at all. It
doesn't
seems.
hurt them at all.
No.
No. And now, if you get back into here,
Their flight, the
This.
tail feathers.
no, if you get back in, it's just like your fingernail. Okay. If you get back in here, there's blood.
Okay.
So if you get back into what's called the quick of the feather, it's going to hurt just like if you get your fingernail. But out here, it's just like a fingernail. It doesn't hurt them.
And now I know.
And now you know.
Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. They're like zebra chickens.
Zebra cobra chicken.
So barn rocks, and I'm not sure. I think that other one's just a black sex lamb, like you already
Yeah.
had. But my 2 girls are so close to that color,
Yeah.
I didn't keep the black one.
So this chicken is new. This chicken, see it? And this chicken is not. See? Look.
They're iridescent the same, so you
Yeah,
have
but
the
they-
same
They
chicken.
just like,
I know, but Is it funny that I can tell the difference between the chickens?
Well, see, yours squats, those run. See? Now they're used to you.
More chickens!
And the best part is they're free.
Yeah, they just started laying.
Ooh, pumpkins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need to get a pumpkin.
Do you need pumpkins?
I was going to go ask him if I could get some. I was going to plant some pumpkins.
Because I want to cut
They
it
don't
open and
care.
feed the chickens.
They don't care.
That's what I've been doing.
That's like
What,
awesome.
baby?
Yep.
I mean, it looks like they devoured it all.
What are we doing?
Giving the chickens a treat.
The chicken's a treat.
Giving the chickens a treat.
Yeah, they're doing it. They like it. They will pick that clean. Supposedly a natural dewormer. I haven't done my research on that yet, but you hear all over the internet that it is. But I like to research for myself. Anybody out there have any knowledge on that? Why don't you get me some info? We're still establishing a pecking order. That's Chuck and his 2 original hens going up in the hen house.
Threw out some scratch frames.
Yeah, they got scratched this morning. And these are all the new girls that they're having to get used to. Here she comes. She gonna come in here, start a fight. They must have went up there and had a little collaboration as to what they're gonna do with all these new chickens. We put one on the other side so that this wouldn't happen. They'll get it within a week and everything will be fine.